Sean, and today we're going to talk about sorting data. Sorting or ordering your data often makes it much easier to read a report. So whether it's to find a specific unit or site, or to find your top or bottom performers for a particular feature, sorting enables us to do this. Within self-service, we have two main ways that we can achieve this. One, sorting numerically, and two, sorting alphabetically. So without further ado, let's hop into it. So, as you can see, I've got the Patient Concierge by Facility page open, and first we're going to talk about how to sort numerically. To sort numerically, simply hover over the chart, click on these three dots here, go down to sort by, and click on the measure you want to sort by. We want to sort by concierge request. As the chart is now sorted numerically, we can now at ease see our bottom performers and our top performers for this feature. And if we want to see it in the opposite form, in a descending fashion, we simply click on the three dots again, click sort descending, and now our chart is sorted from largest to smallest. Next, we're going to talk about how to sort alphabetically. To sort alphabetically, similar enough to numerically, we click on our three dots up here, we go down to sort by, and click on the unit name. Once clicked, our chart now updates from A to Z, making it much easier to find specific units. That's been sorting for self-service. Again, we can sort alphabetically or numerically. Thanks for listening.